Hello, welcome to my channel. The question here says evaluate xy square minus x square y all over x square minus xy if y is equal to -2. Now let's substitute straight away the value of y. If you check this question, we are not given the value of x, so that makes it interesting. So now let's check what we are to do here. So let me substitute the value -2 for y. That means anywhere I see y, I'm going to put the value -2. So x is there now. So the first x and then -2 for y all squared. Don't forget this is y squared. So -2, which is the value of y, then square it. Then minus x squared. We do not know the value of x, so we're going to write it. And then multiply by y, which is -2. And then all divided by x squared. We do not know the value of x. Then minus x multiplied by y, which is -2. And so let's simplify further now and see what it will give us. So this is -2. Square it is going to give us 4. Don't forget, negative multiplied by negative is positive. So -2 multiplied by itself, that's -2 squared, will give us +4. So on this side, we are left with 4x. So the +4 multiplied by x is 4x. And then minus, now this negative multiplied by this negative here for the 2 will give us positive. So this changes to +2. And then we have the x squared there. X squared. Then everything divided by, we have x squared under here, that is this one. And then this negative multiplied by negative is going to give us a positive value. So that will give us +2, +2, and then multiply by the value of x there. Now, if you check now, we have only x terms left. So let's try and factor the expression and see where it takes us. So what is common to these two terms in the numerator here? We have 2x common because 4 can divide 2 and these 2 can also divide 2. So 2, and then there's x here, there's x here. So the common factor there is 2x. So we introduce it outside a bracket here and open up a bracket because we are factoring. So we're going to say 4x divided by 2x, that will give us 2. So that 2x multiplied by 2 will give us 4x. And then plus, then 2x squared divided by 2x, we're going to be left with only x. So that 2x squared multiplied by x will take us back to 2x squared. And then don't forget, we also do to the denominator. Now the denominator is x squared. What is common there? Between these two, what is common is simply x. That is what is common. Then all brackets open. X squared divided by x will be left with x. And then plus 2x divided by x will be left with 2. So now, the mathematics has shown us what to do next. So the next thing to do is 2x plus x is the same thing as x plus 2. Don't forget 3 plus 5 also means 5 plus 3. So if we say 2 plus x, it also means x plus 2. So, and what we have here is x plus 2. So this x plus 2 and this 2x plus x, they are the same terms. So since they are the same, they can simply cancel each other. And then x here will also cancel x. So that leaves us with only 2 as what is remaining. And that gives us the final answer as 2. So the final answer becomes 2. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel so that I can get more videos like. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I create a video like this, you'll be aware of it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.